Here's I'll show you how to create a digital sign or signature using Adobe Reader. After opening your PDF in Adobe Reader, click on Menu and open Preferences. Here you have to select Signatures, and here under Identities and Trusted Certificates, click on More, and here just click on this New Digital Sign option. And here select a new digital ID I want to create now and click on Next. Here, where would you like to store your self-signed digital ID? I'm selecting here this option and clicking on Next. And enter your identity information to be used when generating the self-signed certificate. Enter here your name and in this organizational unit, type your organization unit. Write here your organization name. And enter here your email address. Select here your country and region. And you can change your key algorithm and use digital ID for. Here I'm selecting digital signature and data encryption, and then clicking on Next. And here for each and every digital signature we have to create a different password. So write here a strong password, at least 6 characters you have to type. That's how create a password for your digital signature, and then click on Finish. And here you will find all of your created signatures. So this signature I just created, and here you can see the preview. Now just cross this, click on OK. And now let's see how to use the digital signature. All you have to need, go to All Tools section, and here you have to click on View More, and under All Tools you have to find out the User Certificate option. Click on that, and here select Digital Sign. Click on OK. Now select a location where you want to add the digital sign, just like this. You have to select the area first of all, and then under Sign in with digital ID you will find here all of your created digital sign. Just select the sign which one you want to insert and then click on Continue. And here we can see the signature preview, and here you have to write the digital signature password and then click on Sign. And first of all you have to save the PDF, and then here we can see the digital signature has successfully added to this location. So that's how you can actually create and add digital signature in Adobe Acrobat.